Happy Sunday, ladies and gents. Just quickly wanted to update you guys that the Strat scanner has been updated for those who use it. So please be sure to go into the original link, depending where you found it, and re-add the new 1.0.3 version. In the new version, we pretty much just added a 1.3 setup since people wanted those to look for as well. For those who are new to the scanner, pretty straightforward the way it works. Once it's added to your indicator list on TradingView, it's going to bring up this table here that you can customize, which I'll show you in a few moments. And essentially, the way it works is whatever time frame you are on and whatever tickers you have, it's going to light up with whatever setup is currently active on there. So as we can see, we're on EuroCAD. 2-1 setup is lit up. We're on the monthly time frame and has a 2-1 right here. You can check out Tesla as well. And then here we have a 2-1 setup on Tesla. Now, something to note, it doesn't just have these tickers. It is fully customizable. So when you go into it and then you go into your settings, you can change the color, you can change the hammer or shooter threshold to whatever you'd like, as well as the colors for the table. And then this allows up to 26 tickers at the same time. To me, this will kind of take a good amount of chart space, so I don't really have too many here. But you can pretty much put whatever ticker you want. So let's say you want to add in, let's swap Euro CHF. Let's say you want to add Apple. Hit OK. And then it'll be added to the chart here. And then you could just cycle through all the time frames and whatever setup is there, it's going to light up. So if you find yourself taking too much time going through every single time frame, through every single ticker, you can simply put all your tickers here and then go one by one, and it'll let you know if that setup is currently active on that profile, just to make things easier for you. Any questions at all? Definitely let me know in the comments below. For those who are interested who don't have this, if you are in my mentorship or my Discord group, you get that for free. I'll post a link in the description below. If you aren't in any of those and you want to get it just outside of those items or products or services, I'm going to post a Gumroad link where my buddy who made this for us has it there so you can support him. Other than that, any questions, definitely let me know. And for those who have been using it for a while, any additional features that you do want, let us know as well. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Take care.